All right, good morning. Okay, so let's recap what we have done last lesson. Okay, we actually create a box using components. All right, so each of these, when I click, is actually a separate component. All right, we build up by keying in the dimensions. All right, you don't need to click here. Remember, once you form your area, you just have to key in the value, and then you just have to use this. All right, push pull tool to create this, make this a component, then you build the different component. And after that, you are able to use this rotate tool, all right, to first select the component, okay, and move the objects in the correct plane, all right, in this way. All right, okay, so now I'm going to continue to look at how can you build your projects. Okay, so I'm going to use each of your example, and you have to build everyone's example to build your competency in doing a Google SketchUp. Okay, I'm going to start a new file. All right. Okay, so same thing. Uh, I'm just giving you a estimate, uh, so-called dimension. You're supposed to key in your actual dimensions yourself. But if you don't have your artifact with you, you can estimate because in the real world, you use modelings to estimate the dimension also. Or you may do that. All right. Okay. So now let's look at a Ruan example where she's building the lab. All right. Okay. I'm going to teach you a new tool called of, rotate, where you're supposed to be able to follow me to form the shapes. Okay. So how does it work? It's better that I show you. Okay. I'm going to create a surface. Now you can see blue. All right. And if I were to get it near to the surface, it will become a, a green. Okay, I paired it this way. All right, so I'm going to click it. Okay, by the way, the dimension here is wrong. You see, it's inches. So you must go to model info, change your unit to dimensions to mm. All right, and the position, just do it to mm. Okay, then after that, all right, okay, you go back, you should able to see the dimension that is correct. So I'm going to delete this again, let's try again. All right, so uh, going to get this out. Okay. So now you can see that the mm is out already. So for Ruan one, the size is about uh the height is I think about 150. So you know that you can figure out the height is the second one. All right, the first one is actually the length, so it should be something like this. Okay, so you'll be 150. All right, by maybe 300. Okay. Oh, wrong. Okay, so it's the other way around. So it should be hmm, okay. So it will be 300 by 150. Okay, enter. And remember, we'll go to zoom extend here. And like, okay, and then you'll be able to see that. So I'm building uh, part of it. So from here, another measure things that you will learn today is actually a measuring tape. All right, so here to here, you can see that from the length underneath here, okay, you can see that it's 300 as a pin. All right. Now I'm going to measure from here to here. Say the base is 150. Okay, so you can see there's a dot here. Then you can draw this dot to this point here. All right. And I'm going to delete away. All right. This part. Now, why am I doing this is that so that this part can be created into a cone-like shape. Okay, before that, I have to get a circle, and the circle has to be like that. All right. So you see how the follow me tool work. That means you want this surface area to follow the circle, and then that will form the cone that Lowen projects. The base is doing. Okay. So I'm going to show you step by step. First, you have to select this. All right. Then you click the follow me tools, which is this one. Yeah, I'll go a bit slower. So this is follow me tool, and I will click on here. Okay, let me see. I think that's wrong. The photo is the wrong one. Okay, so let me repeat this. Control Z. Okay, so I should click this first because it's going to follow the circle. All right. Okay, you're going to follow the circle and go into the follow me tools again. I'm going to click this surface. I think that's correct. Okay, so now you can see that okay, the base of one, the work is out. All right. Okay, so sometimes it is follow. So if it's follow, it means something is not right. All right. Okay, you have to repair it. So how do you repair it? It's basically by building on it. Okay, but right, if it's done correctly, you shouldn't have to follow. All right. So let me go back to the axis. Try to cover this up. Okay, on the right. Okay. Okay. So with this, you can build your site. And how do you build your site? Okay. Similarly, all right, I'm going to bring it smaller. All right, and you need to if you need to have that uh, base, you need to create that base up. Okay, so same thing you have to do make component. Remember, once you finish making, you must always make. Now to be strict about the original design, it actually had she actually had three components. One, two, three. Because it's on the pieces of wood together. Okay, but here it's not critical. All right, but as a whole, this is the one piece that she had. All right. I mean, she can also make one piece. Okay, she can. Right. So now, how do you create okay the design that is a kind of free form? Okay, again, usually in design like this, we want to create a surface. Okay, so that it can guide the dimensioning. All right. Okay. So over here, okay, she's going to again build. I'm going to estimate the dimension only. She's going to build the shape out like this. Okay, it's again a estimation. All right. Okay, no, I think the base is here, right? So okay, there's a mistake here. So this one should be here, here, and say there's a line from here to here. All right, so I'm going to delete away the remaining one. All right, and then here and here. Okay, all right. Okay, okay, and with that, okay, you can create the thickness. Okay, which what she has made. Okay, over here like this. Okay, with this, okay, you can actually then duplicate this. Okay, make component already, then duplicate this into uh, four parts. All right, how do you do that? Okay, you can use this so-called rotate button, but before you do this rotate button, you click uh, uh, control. All right, and then you will kind of see a plus here. Okay, so let's try. Put a control. All right, then you can see a little plus there. Okay, so you click on this. You click on this. You see you can duplicate the thing up. All right. Okay, and then you put four times. You enter. Sorry. Okay, so that thing, let me try again. Okay, you're gonna click this. All right, and then you're gonna rotate this. Okay, press the button control. You can see a plus sign coming up. Okay, click, and then you rotate uh 90 degrees first. So you must key 90 first. You enter first. All right. Then you put 4 times. Okay, so you can see at the side there, the angle, there's a 4 time. You enter again, then 4 times of it will come out straight away. Okay, now with that, I will leave you to explore this part first. Okay, thank you.